guys, welcome back. It's your girl Winnie back again with another reaction video. I'm looking over here because my stream OBS is over here, but my camera is over here. So if you see me looking over here, please don't mind it. I'm just seeing if this thing is recording because OBS has been having a lot of problems on recording and streaming, jumping off of streams and things like that. But anyway, guys, I am back. I had some renovation going on at my home in my room where I stream and record videos. So that's not done yet. So I had to set up another place to do my videos, and this is where I got. I'm grateful. Very grateful. So today's reaction videos, guys, you'll be getting a numerous amount of videos, is Korean versus American mukbangers. Big bites. I don't know what that means, but okay. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to your girl's old fan channel. If you're wondering why I'm wrapped up in a sheet in a hot time as such in Jamaica, we're having weather. Actually, we're having a hurricane, but the content must go on. Must go on. So let's get into this reaction. Copyright. Why have to stuff everything in our mouth? Why do we have to stuff everything in our mouth? Like the whole of it. Okay.
Oh.
Of course, it's avocado. Nick. Yeah. Is everything good, Nick? I think it is. I think y'all can see me now, but no. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Just the lips. Okay.
식감 미쳤어요.
But sir, thank you for introducing yourself to my video, though. I don't think your mouth can hold out of that. Delicious, huh? Well, I was just gonna say, at least he's using the chopsticks. Okay. Is it better? I think it is. I think it is. I think it's so much better.
I shouldn't have started with this, but
Yeah, no, you have hiccup. What was the purpose of it? Is it hot? It looks like it's hot. Or is the kimchi hot? I think the kimchi is hot. I might be wrong, but I get it's a mukbang, but I think the people who are watching it are enjoying it. But what about you, the person who is doing the mukbang? Wouldn't you like to enjoy the food? Cause this gentleman here, props to you, by the way. He doesn't look like he's enjoying the food. He's look like he's been forced to, and the food is hot, and that rice looks very cold or warm. He looks like I gotta do this. It's it's life and death, you know. Like I think you can enjoy too. I'm just saying. Maybe this is my opinion and thoughts, you know, and feelings. Okay, Julie. This seems simple. Like something like this. This seems like it's dinner, it's mukbang time. You know? Mhm. Pizza.
Going in.
Just normal pizza. Mhm. Oh, I thought he was gonna. Okay. It's a simple mukbang. A cheese pizza, stuffed crust too. Look at that. I got to stop keeping my. I got to keep myself one place. The camera is ridiculously not keeping up with the composure. Anyway,
What's food?
sir, look like you never know what to do with himself a while ago.
Mm. Mm.
No words, just mm.
Mm. I'm doing good.
Okay. Oh, okay. Is it hot? Was it hot? Combo queen. Combo queen. Crunch. Crunch. Okay. We don't have to rock it this time. Just, put that entrance and just pause. It's another rap one. Okay, rap queens. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What's so good?
That's a lot of sauce, my boy. And that's spam. It's spam. Yeah. Sorry. I'm sorry. Like, we sloppy eating. And then grease and sauce and the mold and everything. And we grab the spam with our hands and then we wanted to be decent. We wanted to keep things clean, so we wiped our face with a napkin. So we wiped our face with a napkin. Well, at least it's not spicy.
Do a sandwich with this.
Okay, whatever.
한 번에 다 들어있어.
Ice cream?
이 들어갈까요 입에?
No, that's not a lot. Brain freeze?
That's what it looks like.
We chew ice cream now? Look at this one. Yes, we chew ice cream now. Okay. Any reaction? Any, how is it? Still eating it. Could be tasted bad, but you're still eating it. Mozzarella sticks and spicy noodle with pickles. Slow entrances for me. That's my phone telling me to hydrate, guys. Hydrate. Stay hydrated. Yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. If you guys like what you see, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to this girl's off-brand channel. More videos coming out. I was gonna say something, but we have to keep our mouths. You know, our mouths are powerful weapons, manifestation, and these things. So you know what it is, guys. It's your girl Winnie. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this girl's off-brand channels. Follow my social media, swiping on the screen like that. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my gaming channel, Gaming with Winnie. I